The battery is almost literally the heart of any vehicle, keeping everything alive, irrespective of whether you're using it or not. Trouble is, much like the human heart, you never quite know what's going on in there, whether it's performing as it should be. Now, I've been using CTEK XS trickle charger on my bikes for a couple of years, but there's no simple way of telling whether the battery needs charging until you actually go to the trouble of connecting the charger up, which can be a bit of a faff even when you use the optional comfort connector that I have on all my bikes. I've been relying more or less on guesswork, trying to remember how long it's been since I last used the bike, how long a trip that was, etc., and then trying to factor in how warm or cold it's been recently to come to some kind of assessment of the battery's state of health. I really bought this Battery Sense monitor for the Triumph Rocket R I have on order, because that's going to be much more of a garage queen, and as it's such a big bike, no doubt with complex electronics that are sensitive to charge, and I won't be using it every day, I will need to keep an eye on the battery charge. But as the Rocket's not due until the beginning of next year, I thought I'd try it out on my daily ride, the 2019 Honda CB500X first, because the reviews on Amazon and the Apple App Store are mixed. People either love it or hate it, mainly because in their words the app doesn't work or the phone keeps losing the pairing. Installation is a 5-minute job. Locate your bike's battery, usually under the seat, connect the red terminal to the positive and black to the negative, then find a suitable location for the Battery Sense box. There's plenty of space on the Honda, so I just stuck it to the plastic tray using some double-sided foam tape. You then need to download the CTEK Battery Sense app and pair the Battery Sense to your phone using the serial number that's stuck onto the end of the box. My iPhone 10 recognized the device immediately and paired without any problem. You can then enter your bike's details, name, photo, battery capacity, and you're given an overview of the condition of your battery. As I mentioned before, I use this particular bike almost every day and had just been out on a fairly long run before installing the CTEK, so it was no surprise really to see that the battery was 100% charged. As the connection is Bluetooth, you do need to be within range of the bike to get a reading, but it does take the guesswork out of battery charging. The company does offer a much cheaper and simpler LED indicator cum connector, though again reviews of this are mixed. I haven't tried it, but with only 3 LEDs, green, orange, red, I felt it wouldn't be precise enough for my needs, particularly as some reviews suggest the green light is only on when the battery is at 100% and immediately turns orange when it drops to 99. So far then, I'm pleased with how the Battery Sense works. Physical installation was very simple and connection to my phone proved just as straightforward. The information given by the app is limited to the battery's charge, expressed as a percentage, and temperature, though you do also get a graph of charge levels over the past few days. The app can also be configured to sound an alarm if it hasn't received any data from the bike for a given number of days, so that you won't return to your bike after a long period of inactivity only to find the battery flat despite the best efforts of the monitor. I'll be testing the device on my Honda over the next couple of months while I wait for my Rocket to arrive, and repost a video here should anything untoward occur. As always, thanks for watching.